Have you ever deleted some important phone numbers accidentally? This video will show you how to recover deleted phone numbers from Android in detail. Way 1. From the trash bin of Contacts app. This feature works not for all types of Android phones. Check if your phone might have it. Step 1. Open the Contacts application on your Android phone. Look for the three-dot menu icon and tap on it. From the drop-down menu, select the Trash option. Step 2. You'll find a list of recently deleted contacts within it. Scroll through the list and locate the phone numbers you wish to recover. Simply tap on it and select the Undelete option. The contact will be immediately returned to your regular contact list. Way 2. From the call logs. There's a possibility that you can recover deleted contacts from the call logs. Open the Dialer app on your Android device. In the Call Log tab, you will see a history list of your recent calls. Scroll through the call logs and search for the phone number you want to recover. Way 3. From the SIM card. If you have previously exported your contacts to the SIM card on your Android device, recovering deleted phone numbers becomes possible by importing them back. Step 1. Open the Contacts application on your Android phone. Look for the three-dot menu icon and tap on it. Select the Settings option. Step 2. Locate the Import/Export option. Choose Import from SIM card. The system will scan the SIM card and display a list of contacts saved on it. Scroll through the list and select the phone numbers you want to recover. Then tap on Import to import the contacts back into your device's memory. Way 4. Using Coolmaster Lab Phone for Android. Step 1. Download and install Coolmaster Lab Phone for Android on your computer. Launch the software and choose Android Recovery from the toolbox. Step 2. Connect your Android device to the computer using a USB cable. Ensure that USB debugging is enabled on your Android device. Step 3. Select the file types you want to recover, such as contacts in this case. Then click on the Next button to initiate the scanning process. Step 4. Once the scanning is complete, you can preview the details of each contact and choose the ones you wish to recover. After selecting the desired contacts, click on the Recover button to initiate the recovery process.